Did you know that yawning is contagious? Stay tuned to find out why. When you see someone yawn, it's hard to resist yawning yourself. This phenomenon is believed to be linked to empathy and social bonding. Scientists suggest that contagious yawning may help synchronize group behavior and increase alertness. It's not just humans who experience this. Many animals, including dogs and primates, also exhibit contagious yawning. Mirror neurons in our brains are thought to play a role in this behavior. These neurons activate when we see someone else perform an action, making us more likely to mimic it. The next time you find yourself yawning after seeing someone else yawn, remember it's a sign of your empathetic and social nature. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe for more captivating facts. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. Thanks for watching.